Look here students, we already start this topic set and continuation of this topic we will do here the union of sets. Union of A and B is written as A union B. We will write this type symbol A union B and we read as A union B. A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Means it should present any element that present A or in a B, it will be A union B. So look here, this in the Venn diagram, this is a universal set and here is A set and this is B set, and look here, this all the blue color that we can say it is a union B, means we will include all the elements of A and B. Now we take example, if A is X such that X is the multiple of 3 and X is greater than 3 and less than 25, and B is Y such that Y is divisible by 6 and Y is greater than 1 and less than 32, and you have to find A union B. For that, first of all, you have to change both the set in a roster form. So look here, what is the A you can write? A we can write 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. B we can write 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Now you have to write all the elements of A and B, that will be A union B. So A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Means you write all the elements, you write 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Look here, 6, 12, 18, 24 already you write. So you will not repeat these, you write only 30 here. So look here, these all the elements of A and B you will listed in a form of roster form, and you curly bracket you will mark. This is a union B, means A union B is again a set. Now the intersection of sets we will do. The intersection of two sets A and B can be written as A intersection B. Now A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B, means it should present both in A and B. Look here, this is a universal set. In this universal set we have two set A and B, and here look here, this is a common, this is a gray portion and this is a intersection B, that is common in A and B. So we write first of all in a roster form, then you have to find the A intersection B. Look here, this is the roster form, and now you have to write here A intersection B. A intersection B is X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B, means 6 is present in A and B. Then you have to write here 6. Now 12 is present in both, so you write here 12. Now 18 is present in both, so you write here 18. Now 24 is present in both, so you write here. So look here, all the common element to A and B, that will be called the A intersection B. Now properties of operations of union and intersection. Some properties that we have to do. First property is commutative law. Commutative means A intersection B or B intersection A, both is equal. A union B or B union A, that will be both same. Associative properties means first you will do the intersection of B and C, then you will do write A intersection B union intersection C, that will be equal to A intersection B with the intersection of the C. Now second is for the union, means you will find the B union C, then you find A union B union C, that is equal to, first you find A union C, then you will find the union with the C, means A union B bracket union C, that will be equal. Look here, some more properties we have. This law of phi and universal set. So look here, this is a intersection phi null set, means null set. A universal set is given to you that you do the intersection of A, means only A will be. And A set is given to you, do the union with the phi, means you get A only. Universal set you will do union with A, means you get a universal set. So look here, idempotent law means you get same A intersection A is A only and A union A will be A only. Distribution law, you have here A intersection, then B union C, that will equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. So look here, this your law you have to understand.